So, you found this ad on the internet somewhere, maybe on YouTube, Google, Facebook, or even TikTok, stating that you can make money building websites in your free time. Or maybe it's because you want to make a career change. Whichever, you need to know the basics. So, what's included in the basics? The definition of website development. Website development is the process of creating and building a website. It involves designing how the website looks, setting up its features, and making sure it works properly. This includes everything from the layout and colors to functions like forms, buttons, and links that allow users to interact with the site. Think of it like building a house. Website development is about creating the structure, adding rooms, and making sure everything works together smoothly.